Hi guys, today I'm at Shepherd's Boat Show to look at some amazing boats. Just look at this lovely Chris craft. Unfortunately, these boats are so popular, you'll have to wait till 2024 to get one. I really like the look of this Centurion. It's super cool, nearly as cool as me. Let's have a look at this surround. Could it be the future of boating? It's electric. This is the Leisure 28 model and it's 28 feet long. With the lake speed limit, this boat will do 160 miles with a full charge. If you have too many beers on the lake, there's even somewhere to sleep. If you get caught short, there's even a toilet. Look at this wet bar. It's a great place to make gin and tonics. There's even a fridge. Let's see if there's any wine or beer in there. Oh no, no wine or beer. Look at all this seating in the cockpit. There's even a fold-out table. Ta-da! There's even a sun pad. It's a shame it's cloudy today though. This is what the Sea Ray SLX 250 looks like in the water. If you haven't seen my other video on this boat, you should check it out. It's on my channel. Let's go on board this Sea Ray cabin cruiser and take a closer look. Here I am at the helm. There's a Simrad dual displays, a bow thruster and a Fusion stereo display. There's lots of seating in the spacious cabin for all your friends and family. There's even a bed under here. Here I am in the head. There's a sink and a toilet in here. There's a microwave, hob and a sink. There's even a fridge. Oh my. Let me just taste it. A big thanks to Shepherds for letting me do these video tours. If you're interested in any of these boats, why not give them a call? This round, I think that's it. Just look at this lovely crisscraft. Just look at this lovely crisscraft. I mean, it's 250 feet long. 250 centimetres long. I just love boats. They're so amazing and pretty.